rice don't boil. You see as it be, the rice don't boil. Oh yeah, make I wash am. Jesus say na money. Area, how na day? What is the soup? What is soup? Okay. Guy, my pikin need money, oh. I swear. I need money badly, oh. I need money. Ah, God. Everywhere yours dry, eh? Everywhere yours dry. Also, not the good they pay. Now, wow. My pikin need money, oh. I beg if you not see me there for the share money, mona call me, oh. I really need it. I really need money. Dry can't play. Me no understand what they suffer. Most especially this January and February. The thing, God, the thing it just they make me the paro. I go paro. Okay, make I remove small water. I don't want me the rice too done. Then on the electric whether my gas cooker, make I carry my salt. This one, test you just they look for money. Money not they agree they come. Make I put salt. Okay. Money not agree come. Everyone not agree come. What did they salt for the ass? Ha! I get what I use money do. Oh. Me I need money right I dey here so I need them go. I need them go. Make I first cry first before person go see and go this period. Shy! Damboro waka shenge. They will leave the rice, make suffer they cool, make your suffer they relax. Make it maintain your life because later now me want maintain for life. If you want maintain your life for inside this pot, I will come back. No, we can continue the food. Now so it will be. Now half now we'll take they do the things they go half because it can't be like say. All these waka do where person they do so the also where person they also they go the also no one can they pay again no also everywhere yours right karaka if I see human being I'll just go sell and use and take make money. I swear to God anybody where yours come close to me this period I just go sell the person I just use and take go make money now so the area go be last now so it go yours be sharp may we maintain our lane.